How to fix Samsung mobile phones not ringing for calls. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then click on volume. Make sure your ringtone volume is full. If you turn down this volume, then turn it full. After that, go back and click on notifications, and then click on do not disturb. If you turn on this button, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on accessibility. Now click on hearing enhancements, and if you turn on mute all sounds, then turn it off. After turn off mute all sounds, then your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and click on general management and scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.